Hello everyone, welcome back to Civil Engineers Club. Question number 1. If a 30-meter chain diverges through a perpendicular distance of small d from its correct alignment, the error in length is option A small d square divided by 60 meter, option B small d square divided by 30 meter, option C small d square divided by 40 meter, option D by 30 meter. Here the correct answer is option A small d square divided by 60 meter. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Next question, closed contours of decreasing values towards their center represent option A hill, option B a depression, option C a saddle or pass, option D a river bed. So the correct answer is option B a depression. Closed contours of decreasing values towards their center represents a depression. So option B is the correct answer. Next question, if f1 and f2 are the distances from the optical center of a convex lens of focal length f to conjugate 2 points p1 and p2 respectively, the following relationship holds good. Option A f equals to f1 plus f2, option B f equals to half into f1 plus f2, option C 1 by f equals to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2, option D none of this. Here the correct answer is option C 1 by f equal to 1 by f1 plus 1 by f2. Next question, in chain surveying tie lines are primarily provided option A to check the accuracy of the survey, option B to take offsets for detailed survey, option C to avoid long offsets from chain lines, and option D to decrease the number of chain lines. Here the correct answer is option C to avoid long offsets from chain lines. In chain surveying, tie lines are primarily provided to avoid long offsets from chain lines. So option C is the correct answer for this question.